What's up, guys? So in this video, I want to talk about the changes that are coming to YouTube ads this year in 2025. So Google's come out and they said starting in April of this year, they are going to take away the ability to run your normal conversion-based video action campaigns, right? You won't be able to choose the option anymore. And then in July, they're going to move everyone's video action campaigns over to the demand gen campaign type. So in the past, this has been kind of scary for me because a lot of times when Google makes changes, things get worse, things get more expensive. You got to fluff around and figure out, a new way of doing things. But having looked at these changes they're going to make, particularly with some of the audiences, I'm pretty excited about that. It actually looks pretty good and pretty decent. And so what I'm going to do now is we're going to head over to my screen and we're going to go straight to the Google page and go over and I'm going to talk about the changes that are being made and also what sort of changes that you should worry about and focus on and the ones that you shouldn't really worry too much about. Let's head over to my screen and let's check it out. Okay, so here we are. We are on the support.google page and video action campaigns are being upgraded to demand gen. So they go a little bit what they're doing here, 20% more conversions, blah, 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 blah. Don't know if it's true or not, but that I show any data for that. But anyways, here are the key things. So basically April 2025, okay, the option to create new video action campaigns or your normal conversion campaigns will be removed from Google Ads. So you won't be able to create those. And then starting in July this year, they're going to existing conversion campaigns will be upgraded to demand gen automatically. Now, in the past, they have set dates like this and it's taken a bit longer for that to happen. But what I would do is I would start moving over to the demand gen campaign types as soon as possible. So just take your current videos and moving over and start creating a demand gen campaign type. I'm actually going to do a tutorial on the demand gen campaign creation. So you can check that out in the link above and in the description below. And that'll give you a really good head start. So you're not, fumbling around in the dark. So just coming down here. So how are demand gen video action campaigns different? So basically, in a nutshell, they're going to put more demand gen to have you in discovery ads and in Gmail. Okay, so Gmail is just they're like ads in Gmail. I've never seen anything good from these Gmail ads. They're probably good for remarketing purposes. Honestly, the only time I've ever done remarketing is on the display network. I've never done them in Gmail, so I don't know if it's good or not. Discovery ads can be pretty good. Discovery ads are found on mobile devices, and they're more image-based ads that you can see on mobile devices. So they can be pretty good, particularly like if you're used to like the Facebook type still-based imaged ads. If that makes sense, yeah. The still framed image ads, whatever you call them. That's kind of what discovery ads are going to be, and that'll be like on the home screen. So like if you're on your mobile device, right, and you go to the YouTube, for example, YouTube app, and you're on the homepage of YouTube and you scroll down, YouTube will show you videos that you might be interested in, but they will also show you ads that's on things that you'll be interested in. And those are discovery ads. Okay. So these can be pretty useful as well. Now, it says here in March 2025, we are expanding channel controls to all available ad services in demand gen. This allows you to choose precisely where your ads appear across YouTube, Discovery, Gmail, and the GDN network. Okay. So GDN. That's freaking amazing. That's really good. So what that means is you'll be able to choose, I want to show my ads here. I want to show my ads on this network and not this one. I never show ads unless it's retargeting or remarketing on the display network. I've never done Gmail, and discovery ads are pretty good for, if you use the Facebook type ads. But most of them, I just spend most of my time on YouTube and Google search these days. So that is fantastic that you can separate those. Here you have your different ad formats. So previously, you couldn't do in-feed image ads and short image ads. Okay. However, now with demand gen, you can do in-feed image ads and short images. So that'll be really good, particularly with like in-feed image ads and short image ads. That'd be really good if you really want to test out an offer. Okay. So if you have like a brand spanking new offer that's untested, I wouldn't start it with like your in-stream ads or in-feed ads. I would start it with like your image-based in-feed ads. It'll be a lot cheaper to that. It's more Facebook style type of advertising. Whereas video action campaigns previously, you couldn't really do these two. So features you gain by upgrading to demand gen, creative preferences. So allows you to basically, you can anchor your asset in a particular format. Okay. Which is good. I mean, in the past, I've allowed Google to play with my videos and format them for different size devices. And I haven't any issues with it, but it allows you to basically anchor into a particular format. A/B experiments, I've had that before. Prompt AI generated images. I've never used that yet. That'll be very interesting. Now, this is sick. So campaign settings, lookalike segments, lookalike audiences. Holy freaking crap. Okay, so Google has never given us the option of doing lookalike audiences. There have been like backdoor ways of doing lookalike audiences, but they've never actually come out like Facebook and said, hey, let's do a lookalike audience of this list of converters, this list of leads, right? So for example, just say you have a list of like 10,000 or 5,000, 2,000, whatever leads, you can upload that to Google and say, hey, Google, can we please create an audience that looks just like these humans? So it's very, very similar to Facebook, which is absolutely fantastic. I'm super, super excited about that. Maximize clickbait strategy. I'm not really, I always run with maximize conversions to get a bunch of conversions initially, and then I switch over to target CPA for my conversion-based campaigns. Max clicks, I don't know how that'll go with demand gen. That'll be very interesting. And then language allocations are available at, so they're gonna be at the campaign level and the ad group level. However, I believe if you do it at the ad group level, they won't allow you to do it like a radius. So yeah, but that's not a big deal. Segmentation reporting. Yep, sweet. So they gather additional transparency, understanding sites broken out at format level. That's really good. So they're going to give you basically a breakdown of where your conversions are coming from, where your clicks are coming from, and basically what networks are giving you the best return on your ad spend. So that's really fantastic. Featured texts. So you can opt out. So inventory, so YouTube, Discovery, Gmail, and Google Video Partners. You can opt out of, you will be able to opt out of those. Formats, obviously you get different formats. So carousel ads, I just thought that'd be great for what's called e-commerce ads. Image-based ads, that's gonna be sick. Audiences, yes, lookalike audiences, that's gonna be awesome. Maximize clicks, I don't know how that's gonna go. And then creative preferences, fantastic, fantastic. So yeah, so that's basically what is coming with your max, so your max demand gen, campaigns. The biggest takeaway from here is your ability to opt out of different networks so you can focus just on YouTube. And what I'm super excited about is the lookalike segments. Okay. So in a nutshell, you want to start moving from your typical YouTube video-based conversion campaigns and start creating demand gen campaigns. Again, if you want to watch a tutorial on how to create a demand gen campaign, description below will have a link to it, and then should be a little tag up here that'll also have a link to that as well. Anyways, guys, I hope this has been helpful. Like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. If you need help specifically with campaign build outs, or just want to run by some ideas, just email us at support@adforge.agency, and we'll be happy to get back to you and see if we can help you. All right, see you in the next video.